What if instead of slicing your zucchini, you did something different? Bring out the vegetable peelers and make beautiful zucchini ribbons. Here's how. To slice my zucchini in half and then take my vegetable peeler and simply make ribbons. It doesn't actually take a lot of work. It doesn't take any special equipment, just your regular everyday peeler. Your yellow one as well. Just gonna try and take from the sides, leaving the seeds. If a little bit comes up, no problem. Make it look fancy, I'm just gonna give it a little bit of a twirl and tuck it in. A little bit of a twirl and tuck. Twirl and tuck. You get it, right? Okay. Add a little bit of feta, add a little bit of fresh peas, or use frozen peas. It's all good. Fresh dill. Add a little bit of walnut for crunch, and then we're gonna add a honey Dijon dill dressing. That's just gonna make this so divine. Oh, my mouth is watering. Cheers. That is so refreshing. I think you should try it. Recipe at gettystewart.com.